In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create higher quality AI videos in the Meta AI app. To begin, open the Meta AI app on your mobile device and start a new chat. This is where you'll enter the description for the video you want Meta AI to generate. Once the chat is open, tap the prompt box and clearly describe the video you want to create. The way you write your prompt makes a big difference in the final result, so be as specific as possible. If you want better visual quality, include phrases directly in your prompt such as 4K resolution, ultra high definition, highly detailed, and professional quality. These kinds of terms help guide the AI toward producing a more polished and cinematic looking result. For example, you could type something like, create a 4K ultra high definition cinematic video of a waterfall in a tropical rainforest, with realistic lighting, detailed textures, and smooth camera movements. This gives the AI a clear creative direction and also tells it what level of quality you're aiming for. As you build your prompt, add more detail about the scene, any characters you want included, the camera angles, and the overall visual style. The more clearly you describe the look and feel of the video, the better chance Meta AI has of generating something that matches your expectations. Good prompts usually combine subject matter with visual details, motion, lighting, and style. Once your prompt is ready, send it and wait for Meta AI to generate the video. Depending on the feature and your device, this may take a little time, so give it a moment to finish processing. When the video is ready, review it carefully and check whether the quality matches what you had in mind. Look at the level of detail, the realism of the visuals, the smoothness of the motion, and the overall presentation. If the result doesn't feel detailed enough, go back and revise your prompt. Try emphasizing 4K quality, sharper details, realistic visuals, and professional cinematography more strongly in the wording. Then generate the video again using your improved prompt. This step is often where you get a much better result, since small prompt changes can have a big impact on output quality. Once you're satisfied with the video, save it or share it using the options available in the Meta AI app. One final thing to remember is that including 4K in your prompt asks for a 4K style result, but the actual export resolution will still depend on the capabilities of the specific Meta AI feature you're using.